जर्नलिस्ट मौजूद है जो कि अपने ख्यालात का इजहार करेंगे, पैशनेट एडवोकेट पाकिस्तान के लिए। तो मैं दावत देता हूं अतीक भाई को।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। पाकिस्तान
जिंदाबाद,
पाकिस्तान
जिंदाबाद,
पाकिस्तान
जिंदाबाद।
Now, my statement for this today's protest is for the Australian government, human rights organization, and I would like to read out. It's only 3 minutes, and then I will actually send it to the different medias and Australian medias. So we all should actually read carefully. It's not very long, and this will be sent after this event to all the media as a correspondent. I will send that. Now, my dear Pakistanis and Australians, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. Today we stand united not only as Pakistanis within our homeland, but as a global community that condemns the heinous action of the most heartless and oppressive elements within the present Pakistani government and establishment. The echoes of our protests resonate not just within Pakistani borders, but around the world, where common citizens and political activists are brutalized by atrocities being committed by the establishment. The Pakistani establishment, along with its agencies, has tragically transformed our beloved nation into a fortress of oppression and the cantonment colony. Pakistani government and establishment, who should be custodian of the citizens' rights, are committing horrifying human rights abuses. The lives of our youth, our women, our elders are abandoned to carnage. They are abducted and imprisoned under the fake charges and isolated to inhuman conditions. These authoritarian figures, the rulers, blinded by their lust for power, have taken to concocting false charges of terrorism against those who dare to speak out for justice and freedom. The protesters who demand nothing more than their fundamental rights are branded as criminals and subjected to shame trial that mock the every essence of justice. An internationally known Imran Khan, the leader of the popular PTI party and democratically elected Prime Minister, has been accused of more than 200 fictitious charges including fraud, terrorism and terrorism. Imran Khan is at present behind bar and the risk of being murdered. The world knows Imran Khan as a beacon of honesty is striving to elevate the Pakistani nation to the new heights. Ladies and gentlemen and my dear Australians, it pains me to report that Pakistanis living abroad, including those residing in Australia, are living under the shadow of fear. Threatening calls from anonymous source in Pakistan haunt them, warning them of imprisonment should they return to Pakistan. It is shame that they are threatening to Pakistani living here. We are doing hard work, sending money to Pakistan, and they are calling Pakistanis, don't talk about anything about Imran Khan. They harass me. Anyway, we don't care about them. We have to struggle for our rights, for our human rights. I beseech every representative and organization within the Pakistani community to stand strong and united in boycotting Pakistani diplomats. Let them know that their actions are not in line within the values we are living in Australia. On behalf of the Pakistani community, I appeal to Prime Minister Anthony Albanese, Foreign Minister Penny Wong, and all defenders of human rights to accept our influence and compel Pakistani regime to halt its barbaric human rights violations. The innocent citizens who have been subjected to torture, who have been unjustly imprisoned under fabricated charges, deserve their freedom without further delay. Unfortunately, the sands of time are running out and human rights watchdogs are watching the atrocities in Pakistan. So we demand to all our human rights organizations in Australia and Australian leaders to please listen to us. What Pakistani community, we are a very loyal, obedient, quiet citizens. We are very, and it's their duty to listen to us and provide the connection with the Pakistani rulers over there, what they are doing, they have to push them to bring the democracy and release Imran Khan and all the PTI workers and all Pakistanis who are behind the jail without any cases. Okay, Pakistan.
थैंक यू। अच्छा अभी जो है एक सेकंड
फोटो खींचे।
हमारा जो ड्रोन का फोटोग्राफर है उसने अपने फुटेज रेडी किए